My name is Bunafsha Gulakova. I'm a human rights expert. I am here with UNDP Turkmenistan to provide technical assistance to a workshop on strengthening the capacity of the delegation, the governmental delegation, to address, to hold a dialogue in Geneva on universal periodical review of the second report of the Turkmenistan. The purpose of this workshop was to introduce the member of the delegation, to introduce and familiarize them with the process of the UPR, also on the content of the upcoming report, how to address the recommendations, and also to build the capacity, of course, the Institute, National Human Rights Institute and Democracy, how to in future address such issues. This initiative, as I have mentioned before, is a part of the UNDP joint project with the government, initiated by the UNDP and the government of Turkmenistan, and founded by European Union. And it's a continuous process. And today at the workshop, the UNDP counterparts have mentioned have expressed their satisfaction with the implementation of this joint event with UNDP, and have even requested the continuation of this project, and expressed their will to continue to collaborate in this field and to work on future development of the National Human Rights Action Plan. And it's me, while being part of this project and working for this project, providing technical assistance, I can see that UNDP has achieved from building the capacity of the main stakeholders, which is Human Rights Institute, from building the capacity to developing the capacity. So basically UNDP has assisted in moving the National Human Rights Institute from capacity building to capacity development, and it pleases to see me that such achievement, and that today the staff of the institute, and also some very important key players, decision makers at the government, have upgraded their skill and knowledge in the field of the human rights and international law.